destroy my brain by having a little bit. It's not diluted. It's not added water. It is just smells artificial. There's a little bit of taste to it. There's not much taste, but you can feel the alcohol. Yeah, there's no burn. There's a little bit of taste to it, but not much. I think because of this, it's going to be one of those things that it's going to have a delayed reaction. Yeah, my head's getting a little bit fuzzy from that sip. A little bit of squash for flavour. I'm not one of these people that dilutes spirits normally. I mean, if I have rum, I drink out of the bottle. I'm not bothered with water or chasers or shit like that. But this is really pure, is the only way I can describe it. See, now I can smell a little bit of alcohol and the squash. Only squash, all the same. See, now I put a bit of juice in it, you can feel the alcohol more, you can taste it more. That is really nice and smooth. I mean, all I've done is, a few years back, I went out gathering fruit, apples, pears, plums, bit of rhubarb as well in, and just fermented the crap out of it and turned it into wine, which is, you know, it's quite nice wine. And that was all the dregs I left over. Basically, all the crap that's left in the bottles. Because I never filtered the homebrew when I made it. I just mash up all the stuff, put it in, and that way there's no waste. And that way you just get a pulp at the end of it, like all the crap and the sediment in the bottom. And that's pretty much what I have just chucked in the distiller, and it gave me really nice, clean, pure booze. Yeah, I got a nice little glow on there. I mean, comparing that to the store-bought rum, which costs like 20 quid for a litre. I mean, yeah, this has got a lot more flavour, but it's not alcohol flavour. It's got a burn, but that burn is coming from peppers and spices they put in, which I can put into that easy enough. I can just go and get a bit of mixed spice and put it in the distiller, and that'll give it flavour and colour.